Hey there, and welcome. If you're looking for a clear-cut path into one of the most exciting fields out there right now, you are in the right place. Today, we're basically going to lay out your entire roadmap for a career in digital marketing.
So let me just start by asking you this. Are you looking for a career that's creative, that's in super high demand, and get this, doesn't require you to be some kind of coding wizard? If you're nodding along right now, you're definitely going to want to stick around.
You know, every great journey starts with that first step, right? That call to adventure. So for us, that first step is just understanding the world we're about to jump into. Let's start with the basics. What even is digital marketing?
When you really boil it down, it's pretty simple. It's just promoting stuff, but online. Instead of old-school TV ads or billboards, we're talking about using the internet to get the word out. Simple as that.
And you know what? You see it literally every single day. You know that ad for sneakers that kind of follows you around on Instagram after you check them out on a website? Or when you search for something on Google and the first few results have that little sponsored tag? Yep, that's digital marketing right there in front of you.
Okay, so we know what this world is. Now, it's time to gear up. You wouldn't go on an adventure without the right equipment. And in digital marketing, your skills, well, those are your tools.
Look, there are a ton of different skills you can learn, but we're going to focus on the big five. These are the absolute pillars, the foundation for pretty much everything else. If you get these down, you're going to be in great shape. Ready? Let's do a quick run-through.
First up, we've got SEO. The whole point of SEO is to get your website to show up at the top of Google search results without paying for it. It's all about making your site the best, most relevant answer to what people are looking for. And that traffic you get, it's called organic, which is just a fancy way of saying it's free.
Now, on the flip side, you have SEM. This is where you do pay to play. You can run ads on Google that put you right at the top of the page, like instantly. It's all about getting seen fast and getting quick results.
And then, of course, there's social media marketing. And trust me, it is so much more than just posting cool photos. It's about building a real community, actually listening to your audience, and promoting your brand in a way that doesn't feel like a stuffy old-school advertisement.
Okay, now this one's really clever. Content marketing is basically the art of attracting people by giving them something useful for free. Think helpful blog posts or how-to videos. Instead of just shouting, "Buy my product," you're building trust by helping them out first. It's a game changer.
And last but not least, email marketing. This is your direct line, your personal connection to your customers. See, with social media, you're kind of borrowing an audience from another platform. But with email, you own that list. It is so powerful for building loyalty.
All right, you know what the tools are, so how do you actually start getting good at them? Here are your first two missions. And listen to this, they are 100% free. First, go knock out the Google Digital Marketing course. Then, level up with HubSpot's marketing certifications. Do these two things and you'll have a legit certified foundation to build on.
Okay, so once you've got those new skills and shiny certifications under your belt, a whole bunch of doors start to open up. So let's look at the map and see where these paths can actually take you.
And we're talking about real, actual jobs here. If you found yourself really nerding out about getting websites to rank, you could be an SEO specialist. If you just love connecting with people online, social media manager could be your thing. See, each of those tools we just talked about leads directly to a career.
So what's the treasure at the end of this quest? Let's talk about the rewards. We're talking about the kind of salary you can expect and, just as important, the amazing future this career can offer.
Okay, let's take a look at these numbers.
So, as a fresher, someone just starting out, you're looking at a salary somewhere between 2 to 6 lakhs per annum. But check out that growth potential. After a few years, you could easily be in that 5 to 12 LPA range. And once you get to a senior level, we're talking 12 to 25 lakhs or even more. The financial runway here is seriously impressive.
And you know, the rewards aren't just about the money. The future of this work is all about flexibility. You could freelance for clients all over the globe, land a fully remote job that lets you work from literally anywhere, or even take what you've learned and start your own thing. That kind of freedom, it's a huge, huge plus.
But hey, any good map shows you the tricky spots, right? Not just the treasure. So, for this last part, let's get real for a second and talk about the challenges you'll face on this journey.
What's so interesting here is how the pros and cons are two sides of the same coin. On one hand, it's an incredibly creative field, which is awesome. But on the other hand, that means you have to be creative constantly. And probably the biggest thing is that you have to be a lifelong learner. The internet changes every single day.
And finally, you got to have patience. An SEO strategy, for example, might take 3, maybe even 6 months to really show results. It's definitely a marathon, not a sprint.
So, after looking at the whole map, from where to start, to the tools you'll need, the destinations, and even the tough terrain, it really all boils down to this one question. This field never ever stands still. So, are you ready for a career where you're always learning, always adapting, always growing? Because if you are, the adventure is just getting started.